Purchase Return List. The Purchase Return List allows you to view, manage, and process items returned to suppliers. Steps to access the Purchase Return List. Navigate to the Purchases section from your dashboard menu. Click on Return List. You can see a list of all purchase returns, including details like purchase number, supplier name, warehouse, purchase date, return note, total, and action. You can filter by purchase number, supplier name, and warehouse. Actions. Show details. View complete return details, including the reason for the return and any attached notes. Delete. Remove a return entry from the list. How to create a purchase return. In the purchase list, click on the Return button entry from the list. Fill in the required details. Quantity. Specify the quantity of each product being returned. Reason or return note. Provide a reason for the return. Submit the form to save the return by clicking on the Return button. Then it will be listed to the return list.